Have you ever walked into a store and felt like you were just another face in the crowd? The kind of experience where nobody really knows you, and you're just there to buy something and get out? Now, contrast that with a place where they greet you by name, remember your preferences, and even know your favorite items. That's the magic of personalization. And it's not just a nice touch, it's a game changer for businesses. Today, let's dive into why strong customer relationships are the backbone of long-term business success and how personalization can elevate that experience. First off, let's talk about what personalization really means. It's all about tailoring interactions to meet the unique needs and preferences of each customer. When you walk into a business and they know who you are, what you like, and even what you might want next, it creates a sense of belonging. You feel valued, understood, and, let's be honest, a bit special. This isn't just fluff. Studies show that personalized experiences improve customer satisfaction and retention. When customers feel like they matter, they're more likely to stick around and keep coming back. So, why does personalization matter? Well, for starters, it significantly improves the overall customer experience. Think about it. When you receive a recommendation based on what you've bought in the past, it feels like the business is looking out for you. It's not just about pushing products. It's about creating a more relevant and enjoyable interaction. Plus, personalization builds trust. When you know a brand acknowledges your preferences, it fosters a connection that goes beyond a simple transaction. And let's not forget, personalized experiences boost retention. Customers who feel valued are much more likely to become loyal, repeat buyers. Now, how can businesses personalize their interactions? One effective way is by using customer data. By leveraging CRM tools, businesses can track preferences, purchase history, and past interactions. Imagine a store that recommends products based on your previous purchases. It's like having a personal shopper who knows your style. Another strategy is segmenting the audience. By grouping customers based on behavior or preferences, businesses can send tailored promotions that resonate with different segments. For example, a clothing retailer might send exclusive discounts to frequent buyers or special offers to those who haven't shopped in a while. Personalized communication is also crucial. Addressing customers by name in emails or messages makes the interaction feel more personal. Instead of a generic, "Dear customer," how about, "Hi Sarah, we thought you'd love this special offer." It's little touches like these that can make a big difference. And let's not forget about celebrating milestones. Recognizing birthdays, anniversaries, or loyalty milestones with special offers can create a memorable experience and strengthen the emotional connection with the brand. Imagine receiving a message that says, "Happy anniversary with us. Enjoy 20% off your next purchase." It's a simple gesture, but it goes a long way in making customers feel appreciated. Now, let's shift gears and talk about maintaining customer loyalty. Loyalty is built on consistently meeting or exceeding expectations, fostering emotional connections, and providing ongoing value. One of the most effective strategies is delivering consistent quality. When customers know they can rely on a business for high-quality products or services, it builds trust. Think about a coffee shop that always serves your favorite drink just the way you like it. You're more likely to return because you know what to expect. Creating loyalty programs is another fantastic way to keep customers coming back. Rewarding repeat customers with points, discounts, or exclusive perks can make them feel valued. Picture this: a coffee shop offering a free drink after every 10 purchases. It's a small incentive, but it encourages customers to return and feel appreciated for their loyalty. Proactive support is also essential. Anticipating issues and providing solutions before customers even raise concerns shows that a business genuinely cares. For instance, Sending a replacement part before a customer complains about a defect demonstrates a commitment to customer satisfaction. Feedback is a goldmine for businesses looking to improve customer loyalty. Regularly asking for customer input and acting on it can make customers feel like their opinions matter. Imagine a company launching a new product feature based on customer demand. It's a win-win situation. Customers feel heard, and businesses can enhance their offerings. And let's not overlook the importance of showing appreciation. A simple thank you can go a long way. Whether it's through emails, gifts, or shout-outs, acknowledging customer loyalty can strengthen the relationship. Finally, let's touch on effective communication techniques. Clear and meaningful communication is essential for building trust and ensuring customers feel heard. Active listening is key. When customers share their concerns, it's crucial to pay close attention and confirm understanding. For example, if a customer expresses frustration about shipping times, responding with, "So, you're saying faster shipping is critical for you?" shows that you're engaged and care about their needs. Empathy and understanding are also vital. Acknowledging emotions and showing you care about their concerns can turn a negative experience into a positive one. Instead of brushing off a complaint, saying, "I understand how frustrating that must be. Let me help resolve it for you," can make all the difference. Using simple and clear language is equally important. Avoiding jargon and communicating in terms the customer can easily understand helps bridge the gap between businesses and customers. Being responsive is another technique that can't be overlooked. Timely replies to inquiries or complaints demonstrate attentiveness and commitment. And don't forget to tailor communication channels to the customer's preferences. Whether they prefer emails, phone calls, or texts, using their preferred method shows that you value their time and comfort. Lastly, following up after interactions is a great way to ensure satisfaction. Checking in after resolving an issue or completing a purchase can reinforce that you care about their experience. In conclusion, strong customer relationships are built on the pillars of personalization, loyalty, and effective communication. By prioritizing these elements, businesses can enhance customer satisfaction and retention, ultimately leading to long-term success. So the next time you're interacting with a brand, pay attention to how they make you feel. After all, it's those meaningful connections that keep us coming back for more.